Triple Paste Diaper Rash Ointment is your tried and true solution for diaper rash. Trusted by healthcare professionals and parents for over 50 years. I'm a childbirth educator and doula, and I work with expecting parents all the time. And this is the diaper cream that I recommend. Triple Paste not only treats diaper rash, but it prevents it in the first place. Most importantly, it brings relief to babies suffering from diaper rash. So Triple Paste is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and safe for sensitive skin. In fact, it was awarded the seal of acceptance by the National Eczema Association. It has a really nice, thick texture that stays on the skin. The active ingredient is zinc oxide. It protects and heals even the toughest rashes. So if your baby is suffering from diaper rash or you want to prevent it, Triple Paste is your must-have. And a happy baby means a happy parent.
As a mom, interior designer, and DIYer, I'm always looking for ways to keep my home not only looking beautiful, but also smelling fresh. And let me tell you, honey, this little jar has been a lifesaver. I'm always mindful of the little details that make a big difference. And the Fresh Wave Gel not only works effectively, but it also fits seamlessly into any decor. Now, we all know that cooking can leave behind some strong and lingering smells. I keep a jar of Fresh Wave Gel right here on the counter, and it absorbs those stubborn food odors no one wants to smell. The uses are endless. Stale smells, they can sometimes develop in a rarely used room like a guest space, and the gel keeps the space fresh for your guests all the time. The natural plant-based ingredients, they work to absorb and neutralize odors, so the room is always smelling fresh. This gel truly works wonders at eliminating odors in any room. So, if you're looking for a simple, safe, and effective way to keep your home odor-free, just give Fresh Wave Gel a try. You'll love the difference it makes.
The Fitbit Ace LTE is Google's first smartwatch, specifically designed for kids aged 7 to 12. As a mom and an educator, I love how this particular smartwatch has increased the communication between my daughter and I. We text more, we call more, and I even get to see how active she is. I love that this smartwatch rewards kids for their daily exercise and gives them access to fun games. It's great to see a tech device that actually encourages movement. Most of all, I love how user-friendly it is. The watch paired with the app on my phone super quickly. To get everything set up, it took about 5 minutes. And what's great are all the parental controls you can use through the app. Like school time, which limits gameplay, which allows your child to focus during the school day. The smartwatch also has location technology powered by Google, so you can see your child's location. The Fitbit Ace LTE is fun for kids and gives peace of mind to parents.
The InnovAsian family size orange chicken is my favorite quick and easy meal. Between work and kids' activities, my life is hectic, so it's important that dinner is easy. The InnovAsian orange chicken is exactly that. One of the things that I love about this InnovAsian food product is that it's ready to go whenever I need it in the freezer. I often snooze on the frozen food products, and this is one that I was super impressed by. The orange chicken is essentially fried chicken, so they're like little pillows of gooey goodness. I like making it in the oven because it makes the chicken really nice and crispy, which is really what gives it that homemade flavor. I work most nights and weekends, so that makes meal prep extra challenging. So this is a really nice way to keep dinner easy. InnovAsian has great quality and it brings variety to your meal routine.
AmLactin Daily Nourish Lotion with 12% lactic acid gently exfoliates while deeply hydrating to address a range of skin challenges. As a board-certified dermatologist, I treat a variety of skin complaints that revolve around rough, dry, and bumpy skin. These complaints can have different causes, from aging skin to dry skin to bumps on the skin called keratosis pilaris. So how does this product work for dry skin? This product contains lactic acid. That's an alpha hydroxy acid that helps to gently exfoliate dead skin cells. This product also contains glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant and one of my favorite moisturizing ingredients. While glycerin is a great ingredient on its own, it functions better when paired with other hydration-preserving elements like mineral oil, which you can also find in this Daily Nourish Lotion. This is a moisturizer I use myself, and what I really love about this product is that it's not greasy. It's very easy to rub in, and it also doesn't have a strong scent. AmLactin Daily Nourish Lotion with 12% lactic acid helps deeply hydrate for softer, smoother skin.
As a pediatrician and mom, I know it can be stressful to hear that your child has head lice, and when parents come to me, they want an effective treatment that is easy and safe to use. With Rid One and Done, you're getting prescription strength medicine in an over-the-counter lice treatment. Only one application needed, no second application required, and no tedious nick combing, which can be really hard to do with little kids. The active ingredient is recommended by the American Academy of Pediatrics to treat a resistant type of lice called super lice. These lice are resistant to traditional permethrin-based treatments. Rid One and Done is an easy and effective way to treat head lice in one application. No combing required.